you know, just a month late as usual. Thank you to ScrawlrBox. We are doing another unboxing and challenge. So let's get into it. Let's get our supplies out, our candy, and the paperwork. Of course, we have the print of the month by the artist of the month. So let's just get into it, shall we? Whoa! All right. We've got our sticker, of course, and our list of supplies. So let's start off with the paper so that I know what we're working with here. Oh no, if this is marker paper, I definitely don't know the correct side of it. So there it is. It's Canaletto, 160 GSM. From there we have our Faber-Castell 9000 pencil. It's a 2H. Let's see how it writes. Writes like a pencil. And next is the Faber-Castell Pit Artist Pen 1.5. It's a white pen. Oh, okay, so I just went to poke it in because it kind of seemed like a Posca pen situation. Just push the nib right in. So now I've got nothing to use. Let's see if I can't yank it out with a, I don't know, tweezers or something. Okay, so I got the nib out. You hear that? It's writing, but we're on white paper, so, you know, I don't know. There's that, I guess. Okay, so getting into the goods, let's get these microns out of the way because, well, I'm very familiar. We have a Micron 01 and a brush. But out of the spirit of trying all the supplies, let's try it. We have our 01, very thin, and our brush, which is good for filling in black areas or getting texture. I love getting texture with my brush. Oh, I forgot to say, we have our Swizzler candy, which I can only assume is some sort of caramel. And last but not least, the main course, I suppose, of the ScrawlrBox are the Winsor & Newton Pro Markers in these lovely earthy tones. I especially love this color. It looks like something I would use for my nose, so I do like that. I love earthy colors, so let's try them. All right, this one's called Spice. Oh, it's a little more orange than I anticipated. It looked a little bit more reddish pinky on the front. The packaging, I don't know. Let's see how these markers actually work with a pen really quick. We'll just make a line, let that dry for a minute. It's a nice dead skin color look. Actually, I'm curious to see also how they layer. So let's just put another layer on top. You can get a very different color between one layer and then a couple of layers, even just another layer on top. So that's pretty nice. You can get multiple tones and darknesses with them. I do like that. I like a good layer, what can I say? That blush is a really good skin color. I think this one might be a little too gray looking for a dark skin tone, but maybe, I don't know. Okay, let's see how they go on top of microns. Nice. It looks like there might be a little bleeding, but I think it's okay. All right, what do you guys say we get into the challenge? So we have, growing up. All right, here we go. All right, so I did a little bit of sketching off of camera, which you'll never see, mwahahaha, got him. I came up with a little concept for a drawing here. So the theme was growing up. So I'm going to draw someone who, I don't know why I'm laughing. I'm drawing someone who is growing up, because that's the theme, and they are, why do I feel like it's so hard? I feel so awkward, I don't know why. So they're in this box and they have grown and they can't fit in the box. That's literally it. I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna draw a person that feels like they're about to start suffocating in this box. I was kind of wanting to draw like a male character, but then I didn't, so oops. I'm all for exaggerating proportions, but when the hands are that long, it's time to dial it back just a little bit. Because she is growing up so quickly, I want her hair to be very long, like she hasn't been able to keep up with cutting it. So that's what we're going to do. Let's see. All right, let's give her some clothes. Maybe the clothes should be tight. It's like she grew up really fast. Okay, here's an idea. We can pretend that maybe she's wearing like a little girl's dress. Because, you know, if she grew up really quickly, could she be wearing shoes where her feet are coming out? Like she busted out of the shoes because her feet were so big. Wait, what am I drawing? This is turning into a mouse. I don't know why, but there you go. I am, for some reason, I'm drawing a mouse. Apparently growing up means holding mice by the tail. I don't know what's happening. But there you go. You know what? Let's just go with it. Let's just roll with it. Let's just, you know, sometimes you just gotta go with it. Still wondering what a mouse has to do with growing up. I don't know. Maybe, you know, in this girl's past, she was so afraid of mice, like she had a phobia, that she couldn't even hold one. And now she can at least hold one. Oh wow, it's a hip. So she's growing up and, you know, she's getting past her phobia. That's what I'm saying. Oh wait, no, I was gonna give her no pants. And I started giving her pants. What was I thinking? Well, dang it. We'll give her, because like she's wearing a dress. Well, when in doubt, give her leg hair. Ooh. You won't even know the jean stitches were there. Now she's got leg hair. Cause, you know, when you grow up, you start getting leg hair. She was not prepared for this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I was gonna say oh my goodness and oh my gosh. I settled with oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. Wait, I should get the brush. I haven't used the brush yet. We gotta use the brush. Okay, let's see. Let's get some texture in there, maybe. Look, here's how you get good texture. You ready for this? Hold on, I'm gonna get marker everywhere. Ha! Ha! I'm like scared to do it. I love this technique. I swear I need to use it more in my illustrations. Let's erase this and then get to coloring. Okay, everything is erased. Let's get to coloring. Let's do it. I do think this tan would make a perfect mouse brown color, so that's exciting. I was kind of hoping to give the girl darker skin, but this tan color is just kind of, it looks like a zombie skin. It's a little dull for a skin color, so I guess I'll just make her a pale color. It is fun revisiting markers. I went crazy with those Ohuhu markers a while ago, and I think they were like a new medium. They were fun for a minute, and I decided that they weren't for me, and I just kind of dropped them. I haven't touched them since. And now I'm doing digital art, so I mean, will I drop digital art? Kind of doubt it. I have a tendency to go back to digital art more than I do like going back to markers. I guess because digital art is something I kind of like started off with when I first started drawing. Also, whoops, this ink just smeared. Oh no. So we had some smearing, but I think it'll be okay. Also, I think I want to make her a redhead. I think that would be fun. Let's do it. All right, I guess I'm just gonna go back over it to create some shaded areas. Okay, let's see, maybe her shoes should be brown. I haven't really used this brown color on her much, huh? By much, I mean at all. All right, brown shoes? Maybe I should give her red shoes. Brown shoes seem kind of sad, huh? She likes to match her clothes to her hair, maybe. I mean, did she grow into these shoes, or are they just a really cool new style where it's like flip-flops on the front, but then Chuck Taylors on the back? This is stupid. Oh man, I feel like I need to make those now. Now it kind of makes her look like a monkey. It kind of looks like, because her hairy leg is that darker color, it makes it look like she's a furry monkey now. Whoopsie. Now it just makes me think that the mouse is looking at her, and because she's scared of the mouse is like, it's like a movie. I'm gonna turn you into a mouse and make you like mice, because you're gonna see the world through my view. And then you're gonna be like, oh, mice aren't so bad because I lived as a mouse, because I turned into a mouse because of this magical mouse. Mouse, mouse, mouse. We haven't used the white. I guess I could have colored her hair and just used the white, huh? Do I give her like shirt spots or something? I feel like her shirt needs spots. Let's see. Boop, 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 boop. On patterns. Patterns are my go-to. Knock on the door. Shoot, I don't even know what I was talking about anymore. After the guy knocked, I lost whatever the heck I was talking about. All right, so let's do our usual. Oh wait, can I blend? I always forget markers are like a blendable thing. Oh, that does not look good. I mean, markers are a blendable thing if you're good at markers, you know. We'll just leave it at that. She's got a fiery. Oh gosh, these are. Woo! Should have stopped while I was ahead. Oh no, I didn't use the white for anything. Oh no. What? I don't know what to do with this. Oh, you know what? I was actually in the middle of putting polka dots on her shirt, and then I stopped when the knock happened. And I don't know what to use the white for. Oh, look at me! I'm putting a shine on the rat's nose. There you go. Did it! Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this ScrawlrBox. Yeah, there's her girl. She's growing up over her fears of mice, and now she can hold a mouse. And she's also growing out of her shoes and her little dress. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. And now a huge thank you to my wonderful patrons for all of their support. You guys are the best. If you want to be in the credits at the end of my videos, see secret sketches, coloring pages, early access, and more, check out my Patreon by clicking a link in the description. Thank you guys all so much for the support. Bye! Oh, don't mind me just adding eyebrows.